piece of art begins with a story, and ours starts deep within the majestic Himalayan mountains of Pakistan. Here at Zoult Store, raw Himalayan pink salt is carefully hand-mined, selected, and brought to our factory, where the magic begins. Our skilled craftsmen shape each block with precision, turning natural salt crystals into a beautiful heart-shaped Himalayan pink salt lamp, a true symbol of love and wellness. Every curve, every detail is carved with care to preserve the purity and natural glow of Himalayan salt. Once shaped, it's polished and fitted to shine with a soft, soothing light, spreading calmness, beauty, and peace into any space. This isn't just a lamp, it's a handmade masterpiece that purifies the air, reduces stress, and creates an ambience of warmth and serenity. From Pakistan to homes and wellness centers across the world, we proudly supply authentic Himalayan salt lamps crafted with love and tradition since 2002. Bring home a glow that speaks from the heart. Order now at zwaldstore.com, your trusted source for genuine Himalayan salt creations.